Today on Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to be talking about Google Sheets. Right now I have a schedule open. In the top row it says A day and B day, and down column A it says period 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I have my periods listed in. Now sometimes when I'm in a Google Sheet or in a spreadsheet, it's hard to tell where I am because it doesn't say row 1 and it doesn't say column A. For example, if I go down,
Algebra B4.
I don't know what period or what day algebra is in, right? Well, there's a really simple solution to this. First, I want you to go up to A1.
A 1 inside frozen.
Now I'm going to go up to my accessibility menu, Alt-A.
Accessibility submenu 10 of 10.
Now go to Speak.
Speak S submenu 1 of 6.
Open it up with right arrow key.
Speak formatting F1 of 11.
And now go down to Speak Row 1 on Column Changes.
Speak row 1 on column changes W8 of grouping.
You're going to do the same thing again. Speak.
Accessibility. Speak S submenu.
And then you're going to do Speak Column A on Row Changes.
Speak for all stop. Speak column A on row changes grouping.
Now if I'm in that algebra cell again.
A day period 2 chemistry.
If I go down.
Period 3 algebra B4.
All right, now I know that algebra is in period 3. Really cool. Hey. If you like this video and want more content like it, use the link below to sign up for our Screen Reader Tidbits emails. These emails come out every week and show you step-by-step instructions on how to do the most basic screen reader skills. If you want the latest Tech Tip Tuesday videos, you can join our Facebook group, AT for VI Professionals. The link is below. We'll see you there.